Zurich Airport has excellent lounge options if you want to relax, but you can also reach downtown in just 15 minutes. Whether you have 4 hours or 16, here's your plan for ZRH. Getting around from ZRH is easy. The SBB train takes you to the city in 25 minutes for about 7 francs. Or grab a rideshare for around 60 to 70 francs in 20 minutes. Let's build your itinerary. With just 4 hours, you can squeeze in one quick city stop. Start by clearing customs, then hop on the SBB train to Hauptbahnhof station. Next, walk over to Lindenhof Hill for panoramic views of the Old Town and the Alps. After that, grab a bratwurst at Stern & Grill before catching the train back. Head through security, and you're ready to board. Got 8 hours? Now you can really explore. After clearing customs, take the train to Hauptbahnhof and stroll down Bahnhofstrasse for luxury shopping. Then head to Lindenhof Hill for those iconic city views. Next, enjoy a proper Swiss meal with fondue at a local restaurant in the Old Town. From there, walk along Lake Zurich before catching the train back with plenty of time for security. 16 hours? That's a full day in Zurich. Start by clearing customs and heading into the city. First, explore Bahnhofstrasse and its luxury shops, then climb Lindenhof Hill for views. Next, enjoy a leisurely fondue lunch before visiting the Old Town's charming streets. After that, stroll along Lake Zurich and maybe visit a museum. Grab dinner at a local restaurant, then head back to the airport. You'll even have time to relax in a ZRH airport lounge before your flight. Budget breakdown: 4 hours costs about $28, 8 hours runs around $69, and the full day adventure comes to $125. A few tips. First, buy your SBB train tickets from the airport machines or mobile app to save time. Second, Switzerland uses francs, not euros, so grab cash from an ATM. Third, store your luggage at the airport so you can explore the city hands-free. Planning a Zurich layover? Full guide at yopki.com, link below.